Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you an update on how my garden is doing. And we're going to start right here in the greenhouse. First, let me introduce you to our cat. This is Bob. Bob is a stray cat that has become our pet. Say hi, Bob. As you can see, Bob likes to sit in the greenhouse and sleep. Bob is a special cat. When he came to us, he had a broken tail. Looks like he might have gotten into a fight. Bob is the reason why I have bamboo sticks surrounding my plants. So these are my petunia plants. I've transplanted them outside already. But I went ahead and put bamboo sticks around them because Bob, my cat, likes to dig around in my garden, and I wanted to protect these little young petunias. It's been several days now since I transplanted the petunias outside, and so far Bob has not bothered them at all. Good boy, Bob. My Chilean Gold is still blooming profusely. Look at this. And my Nemesia is also catching up. When I bought my Chilean Gold, I only had one plant, and that was last year. Now there's 5 plants in here, so it multiplied pretty quickly. And this Nemesia here has not stopped blooming either. And I think they like the greenhouse environment where it gets nice and warm. I have primroses here. This is an orange and white primrose. And then I have a pink primrose right there. And then of course I have these petunias that are dark colored. And then this is an iberis. Also, I wanted to show you this cymbidium. My dad planted this cymbidium when he was still alive, and I kept this, and this year it is blooming. Look how pretty that is. And in this corner I have 3 plants. This is my true blue, and in my previous videos I've shown this to you. Look at how much flower this has. And then next to it is this azalea that is just blooming beautifully. And next to that is this begonia. It's got single and then it has double. And we're going to go outside to look at the box over here because it's looking really, really beautiful. Look at this box. It is just so colorful. The tulips keeps coming up. And then I have these anemones. There's some more anemones. And look at these tulips. And these are finally blooming. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.